I feel that I need to speak with what's happening and the business decisions that the business owners have to make in those difficult times, all sorts of pressure, new mandates, and employees being unhappy with the rules. And how do you stay afloat? How do you keep your business running? And how do you keep your business fulfilling its mission and the vision when it's hard, and we know it's hard? It's very important to know that during those times there will be many critical decisions to be made, many decisions that will impact your business not only this month, next month, but for many years to come. And those decisions need to be thought through. There is sometimes we humans get too tired of making decisions, and then we make any decision just to get over it and do it. But when we understand that a decision we make today can have an impact on a business for many years to come, then we need to sit down, maybe strategize with someone. That's something I offer to my clients, a strategy, and to use both logic and intuition to be making decisions. And sit down, go through the pro and the cons, go through what does it mean to you, what it means to you now, what will mean to you in a year from now, what will mean in terms of your vision and goals, and balance the options. Because sometimes people go, I'm doomed if I do, I'm doomed if I don't. But there is always a third option, a third, a fourth option. I always go, when a very important decision needs to be made, I always go, what's the third, the fourth option? I used to work in nuclear engineering, and I was design authority for my area of expertise. So we had to make many critical decisions that needed to keep the reactor operating and safe. I understand the pressures of the times, and I understand you have your own values and morals, and you have to respect that, and you have to respect that you are working for the highest good. And that's what I could help you with. Know that you are allowed to take time to make tough decisions.